Hey everyone, in this quick video, I show you how to delete products and services from your Google business profile. The right way to keep your business listing clean and up to date. If this helps, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple business tutorials. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to business.google.com. Click sign in at the top right and log in with the Gmail account linked to your business. Once inside your dashboard, you will see all your business details. To remove services, click Edit Services from your profile. A pop-up will appear showing all your current services. Find the one you'd like to delete, click on it, then select Delete Service at the bottom. Confirm your choice and that service will be removed immediately. Now, to delete products, head back to your dashboard and click Edit Products. Choose the product you want to remove. In the top right corner, you will see a 3-dot menu. Click it, select Delete and Confirm. And that's it. You've successfully deleted outdated products and services from your Google business profile. Keeping your listings fresh not only builds trust with customers but also ensures your business always looks professional and current. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, drop a comment below and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides.